Hello everyone, welcome to the Mr. Python course with the topic of the Python 3 for data scientists. Today we want to talk about sorting of the data and grab it from data frame and based on the specific column. So let's see. Import pandas as PD, which is so important for us, and then right now, for example, we need a data set. So here I'm trying to show you a data frame. So I'm trying to read a data frame that I have on my screen, which is the real world data set. So read CSV, and we want to read that data. It's a CSV file. So let's see first what is our data. So here are data. Now I want to, for example, here based on this name, yield SMC, try to sort the data and grab a specific place based on data frame. So in that case, we can just need to write, for example, data, and for whole data frame, I'm just only grab the data frame contains the column of yield SMC. And what we are looking for, we are saying, for example, I'm looking for the data greater than or less than 40. And if we run it and show it to you, you can see that I only have the data that less than 39, 40. So here we have a 40, and we have 39 till here. If I show you describe out of this, describe here, you can see the minimum value in this column is 22 and the maximum value is 73. And after the applying this condition, you can see here we have, if I run this data frame to describe, you can see the minimum value is 22 and the maximum value is 39. And whole data sets numbers just decreased. So 1040, but before that we had 2720. So this is one trick that we can apply on based on our desire. So based on the column, you can take the part of the data frame that you want. Another trick, it can be, for example, did you see sometimes you have a data frame that contains a list in one column. So for example, I have a data, so data, let's make a data frame. So what do we need? We want to say, imagine that we have a column 1, and in this column 1 I have a value of, for example, we can say I have A, I have B, and also I have C. And for second column, so col2, I have 1, 2, and a list of value. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if I run this data, you can see I have a column 1, A, B, C, and in column 2, I have 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lists for only C. But in the data sets, we need, for example, have C, 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 C. And all of the C must be here, and this must be explode or something like that. So in that case, we have a feature in Python, we call it explode. So you just need to write data that explode. And after that, you just need to apply based on the specific column that you want. So here I'm looking for the column 2. So if I run it, you can see that I explode this list into data frame. Now we have all of the values here into this column, and we explode the list in this data frame. I hope you enjoy this trick, and I hope to see you next time. By the way, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.